Hello coders, today we are going to learn a very interesting and popular game in the Python programming language. Name of the game is Hangman game or word guessing game using Python. Coder, I think at a time almost everyone played this game. Coder, Hangman game is a very popular game. We can guess the game from the game name. Something is related to a man who is hanging. Coder, this game is based on your guessing power. And any random English word will be related to maybe month name or animal name and so on. Coder, but no slag language or any bad language, any short form is not allowed in this game. Coder, the empty slot will be given to you. You need to fill up the given empty place with the help of your guessing skills. Coder, if any correct letter you guess, then the letter will be placed in the correct position on the empty slot. Coder, when you reach the limit, the man will completely hang and you will lose your game. Coder, if you game all the correct letter of the word, the man will not be hanged and you will win the game. Coder, in this game, we will learn using string, loops, and ifs and ill condition statements and random modules. Coders, random module, pick a random number in a given range, pick the random elements from the list and pick a random card from the disk, flip and coin as so on. Coder, random module provide access to function that support this type of the operation. One such operation is random dot choice. Coder random dot choice method return a random item from list, tuples and string. Coder, that we are going to use in order to select one random word from a list of words have create that will have created. Coder, in this game there is a list of words present out of which your interpreted will choose one random words. Coder in this game, the user first has to input their name, input their name, then will be asked to guess any alphabet codes. Coders, you can set number of turn with, you can set the number of turn equal to 3. Coder, you can be change according to your requirement to guess the complete words. Coder, here is the Python code for Hangman or guessing word game using Python. Let's explain step by step. First step, import the random modules and code start by asking the user to enter their name. Next line code print the message say good luck and print your name and set the variable called name to the input name. Next the next line the code created a list of word using the inbuilt function words. And coder this function take in a input string and return the list of strings. Coder in this case the list will contain string Sewa, study, keep, learning, Python, coding, and so on. The next part of the code is where the random where the random random dot choice words. The code will be randomly choose one string from the list of the word and store it in a word variables. Coder then it will be print out that word along with the space at the ends. After printing out each word, the code check to see if any user has entered in incorrect letter by comparing each characters in guess with these of words. Coders in coder if they don't match up then guess to is set to be wrong and turn is decreasing by 1. Coders, if there are no more letter left to guess, then guess you last the printed. Otherwise, turn is increased by 1 and loop continue until the guess you win or wrong is printed. Coder finally if turn equal to 0, then you have win. Otherwise wrong will be printed. Coder the code will randomly choose one word from the list of words. The user is then asked you enter the characters for the words. Coder 1 the user is enter all of the characters, then code check to see if those characters in a word that was chosen. Coder if they are not in, if print out wrong and decrease the number of turn left for the user by 1. Coder if all turn have been used, then code will be print you loss. Coder, let's run the program and see how it's work. What is your name? Guess the characters. Yeah. Return you lost. Let's run again. Return you lost. You can play this game using word guessing characters. Thank you, Coder, again.